Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Moore from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for June 20th, 2016. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. We did see more buying across the board, but it was a very interesting day. We gapped higher. We went screaming higher here early in the day. The Dow was up well over 200 points at one point and then started to fade near the close. Now, this was all due to another poll about that UK referendum coming up. That Brexit vote, and another poll indicated that there is now a much higher likelihood that they will remain as part of the European Union. So that sent the markets screaming higher here. As I said, pulled back by the end of the day. The Dow was up 130. The S&P 500 was up 12 by the end of the day, and the Nasdaq was up 36. But you know what? Is there really, excuse me, any technical significance to this move? There really isn't. If we look at this channel here that we've been watching is still firmly in place. So that's really the key here, is we've got to wait for these index charts to break out of these channels one way or the other. And today was just a blip in that direction, not a whole lot. The fact that it faded also just goes to show you that it was really all speculation, nothing more than that. And by the end of the day, people started taking profits. The day traders started taking profits, and it sold off a little. Nothing huge. We do have Janet Yellen that speaks tomorrow, and of course the Brexit vote. The actual vote is on Thursday, so that's going to be interesting. The Russell also finished higher by about 13 points, while the yen recovered nicely after being lower earlier in the session, and is almost back up to fresh new highs here, and has put in a bullish engulfing pattern as well. So look for higher prices in the yen coming up. TLT gap lower and finished lower by about 1.5 points, while gold made it all back by the end of the day. It was lower and made it all back, finished down by a couple of points here. And crude also had a pretty decent day, up over 1 point. So we'll look forward to what Janet Yellen has to say tomorrow. And before I let you go, I did want to mention last week we were talking about the caption at the end of our video here on our market update, and specifically the expression on my face. And many of you sent in comments or suggestions for our caption contest. I'll read off just a few. One of them was, "I am smiling." Another one was, "What are you waiting for?" Then we had one of my favorites was, "I can form Fibonacci lines with my fingers. Can you?" There were some pretty good ones. Another one was, "Dare me," but the winner went to Raul. And you're gonna subscribe. So thanks to all of you who participated. It was a lot of fun reading those comments. So thanks again. But do go and subscribe to our page. That way you'll never miss any of our updates. Okay, that's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we will see you on our next update.